Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So let's just check some quick things. So now, as I record this video, it's 1:30 a.m. Sunday the 29th. I wanted to make this video very early because there's this system that will start affecting like the UK and other parts of like France and Ireland this morning already. So like this is like 9 a.m. already some rain affecting Ireland on Sunday the 29th. It shows by like Sunday afternoon some more heavy rain near the UK and Ireland, so be aware. And then this might bring us a little bit of rain to France Sunday noon or morning. And it's also showing a big system in Eastern Europe, like it's already affecting today and to Sunday. Show like all throughout Sunday the 29th, more strong storms in northern Greece, Romania, especially Bulgaria, some stronger storms according to the GFS, and some snow between Ukraine and Romania. So be aware there. And then by Monday the 30th, it shows this other small system approaching France and Spain, might arrive on Tuesday the 1st. Shows more rain, some wind into Spain and France there. Then it shows by like Wednesday the 2nd, this goes into Central Europe, some storms on the Mediterranean, and more snow in the Alps as the system continues. By Thursday the 3rd, the GFS keeps the system going through Central Eastern Europe with more rain and storms there. And then let's see, like on Sunday the 6th, the system still on the Mediterranean and in some areas there. But now, by like Monday the 7th, the GFS blasts a big system through the Mediterranean, part of Central Europe, like on the second week of October, but that's far out, so let's focus on the present. Now the European model shows this system approaching in a few hours on Sunday morning. Ireland and the UK, some rain through there during Sunday, northern France and some British Channel Islands as well. Shows a little bit of snow drizzles in the Alps between Sunday and Monday. And then it also shows the storms in southeastern Europe, so be careful. There might be some heavy rain and those storms might be quite intense in Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, but the snow there. But northern Turkey as well, Monday to Tuesday, those storms might be intense. And like I mentioned in the Asia video, there'll be a lot of heavy rain for northern Turkey throughout these next few days, showing some very heavy rain continuing in the Black Sea, in Georgia, Russia, especially northern Turkey, all the way to like Wednesday the 2nd, so be careful there. And the European has this other system arriving Wednesday the 2nd, blasting through Spain and France, going to the Mediterranean and going into Italy. Is a very powerful cyclone, and like into the Balkans and other areas later. So this is a different scenario than the GFS. And then let's see, so that's the first system today, and then the system on Tuesday the 1st, and that's, I think it's Isaac, the remnants of Isaac there. You kind of die, but might leave some showers in the UK. And yeah, and more low pressure systems later with more rain around the UK and France and other areas. So be aware in those areas. Like by Friday the 4th, it's also showing some snow in the Alps and some very intense storms there. So we will keep monitoring this, but in the short term, just be aware of this system approaching the UK there and France. So the European model wind gusts has more than like 84 km/h gusts in Southern Ireland and the southernmost UK, like today on Sunday, starting like Sunday morning into like Sunday afternoon, the gusty winds in the UK, so be careful. The British Channel might get some gusty winds, be aware there. Northernmost France too, so be aware. And some areas of northern France, some gusty winds near the Netherlands, and like this cyclone goes into the North Sea and gives some more wind to like the Netherlands near Denmark. And then yeah, and then shows some gusty winds or two in the Mediterranean because this system crossing Spain and France on Wednesday, and then goes into Italy and those areas. Especially on Thursday the 3rd shows some very powerful winds there with this system, and then some other extra tropical stuff on the Atlantic to monitor. So yeah, be careful. And also in Romania, Bulgaria, and the Black Sea, those storms might have some intense winds, especially in the Black Sea. Northern Turkey, there are some higher gusts, so be careful. And rain accumulation does show like from today to Tuesday the 1st, shows more rain in Southern Ireland, parts of the UK, because this system, the Netherlands, this system to France on the 1st, and shows a lot in like Bulgaria, Romania, more than 100 millimeters, 90, 70 millimeters, and northern Turkey, alright, like 90 millimeters, close to 118 millimeters. So be careful, the intense storms there. Belarus, Ukraine, some showers. Then if I put this to Friday the 4th, already shows heavy rain for Italy, Bosnia, Montenegro, because the system is showing next week, and then not areas. The GFS is quite different, but also shows a lot in the Balkans, France, the UK, and near Turkey in the Black Sea. So be careful in those areas and stay safe.